In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a rusty text effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, select the Type tool and type your text. This is the font and font style I'm using for this tutorial. Now, adjust the text size as needed. Position your text exactly in the center of the canvas. Now drag and drop the rust texture image onto the canvas. Make sure the texture completely covers the text and is placed as shown. Right-click on the rust texture layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This will make the texture appear only on top of your text. Next, add a Curves adjustment layer. Drag this Curves layer below the text layer. Adjust the curve nodes exactly as shown in the tutorial to match the look. Now double-click the text layer to open its Layer Style menu. Under Blending Options, hold Alt and drag the left current layer slider to the right as shown. Enable Bevel and Emboss, and apply the Bevel and Emboss settings as shown. Enable Inner Shadow, and copy the same settings as you see here. Enable Inner Glow, and then copy the exact same settings you see here. Enable Drop Shadow, and match the settings shown in the tutorial. Once everything is set, click OK. Select the very top layer, then add a Color Lookup adjustment layer. Load the Fall Colors 3D LUT. Now press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E together to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Convert this merged layer into a smart object. Go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Apply the following settings. Set contrast to 50, shadows to -100, clarity 20, vignette -30. Then under Optics section, also set vignette to -50. Finally, click OK. That's it! You've successfully created a rusty text effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.